Hello everyone, today we gonna see how to make paper rose. So let's take first 10 cm into 10 cm square and we'll do the foldings. This is first fold, this is second fold, and this is third fold. So we're gonna do 3 folds. Now draw a petal on the fold. Nicely draw so that each petal edges touches the side of the paper. Now cut it out. Make sure one end is a joint end. Nicely open it and similarly make 4 of it. Now cut the petals like the first paper. Cut 1 petal, then 2 petals, then 3 petals, and then 4 petals. Now, for easy convenience, arrange the petals in a descending order like 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 petals. Now, take the 7 petal paper and add Fevicol on one petal and then stick it to the other. You can take pencil or pen and then do a rolling part in the edge of each petal. Do it nicely, it might get torn while doing, so be careful. Then we will take the 6 petal paper and do the same thing nicely so that it doesn't get any scratches or it doesn't torn. Then the 5 petal, again the same thing. Then the 4 one, then the same thing. The third one, so now in this third one you will face a problem while rolling, so be careful. Don't force much. How much it's happening, just let it happen. The second one, this is, nicely roll it. Then the last one of having the single petal, it should be a thin roll. Now take the bigger one, put glue on the middle and then according to the descending order, like as I said before, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then put the series like this. This is the 4th one. You can proper it by the pencil so that the center, so that the flower get the center actually. Be very careful by inserting the last 2 series. That's the main thing which makes it flower actually. Now little properize each series so that it get chucked it on ease. Now the flower is ready.